Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, welcome back to English class. Hope you all have enjoyed Diwali celebrations, isn't it? Okay, let's go with our class, children. Okay, we have completed our play, isn't it? In last class, we have completed, and I asked you to write these meanings in notebook also. Have you written, children? Hope you all done with your work also. Now turn your pages. Studio page number 40. Question time, children. Today we are discussing about question time. Okay, let's see what it's there. See, where were Tarun and Tara going in the car? Where they are going, children? Yes, they are going for a wedding. Right here, Tarun and Tara were going in the car to attend a wedding. To attend a wedding, isn't it? Write like that, everyone. And next question, see, children. The traffic inspector stopped the car because why the traffic inspector stopped the car, children? Because it was dirty? No, it jumped the signal. It was too slow. No. Okay, first one and third one not correct, and it jumped the signal. That's why the traffic inspector stopped the car. Isn't it? Tick here in the second box. Okay, and third question, children. What could Tarun and Tara have done to reach on time? Okay, that means what these two do. ఓకే, తరుణ్ అండ్ తారా ఏం చేశారు అక్కడికి త్వరగా వెళ్ళిపోవడానికి? టెల్ మీ. ఎస్, దే వాంటెడ్, వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళిపోవడానికి ఏం చేయాలి అసలు? దట్ మీన్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ వాట్ దే హ్యావ్ డిడ్, దే స్టార్టెడ్ లేట్లీ, isn't it? They started lately at home and they want to go fast. That's why the speed of the car is crossed. ఓకే, లిమిట్ క్రాస్ చేసి వాళ్ళు త్వరగా ఫాస్ట్గా వెళ్ళిపోయారు. వాళ్ళు లేట్గా స్టార్ట్ అయ్యారు కాబట్టి. నార్మల్గా అయితే వాళ్ళు అక్కడికి టైంకి వెళ్ళడానికి ఏం చేయాలి? ఎస్, దే షుడ్ స్టార్ట్ ఎర్లీ. ఓకే, దే హ్యావ్ టు లీవ్ ద హౌస్ ఎర్లీ ఓన్లీ. దెన్ ఓన్లీ దే కెన్ రీచ్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆన్ టైమ్. isn't it? Right like that, children. Tarun and Tara could have left earlier if they, వాళ్ళు త్వరగా వెళ్ళిపోవాలి, త్వరగా ఇంటి దగ్గర నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి. ఎందుకు స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి త్వరగా? ఇఫ్ దే వాంటెడ్ టు గో ఆన్ టైమ్, ఇఫ్ దే వాంటెడ్ టు రీచ్ ఆన్ టైమ్, దే షుడ్ లీవ్ ఎర్లీ. isn't it? Yes, write like this. Okay, Tarun and Tara could have left earlier if they wanted to reach on time. See next question. Traffic Inspector Ashok was angry with Ganesh. Why do you think so? Why the traffic inspector was so angry, children, on Ganesh? Because this Ganesh jumped the signal, and at the same time this Ganesh putting this kid's life and others' lives also in danger. isn't it? ట్రాఫిక్ సిగ్నల్ జంప్ చేశారు, అలాగే వాళ్ళ కార్లో ఉన్న పిల్లల లైట్స్ని డేంజర్లో పెట్టారు, అలాగే రిమైనింగ్ వెహికల్స్ కూడా డేంజరే కదా. ఎస్, దాట్స్ వై ద ట్రాఫిక్ ఇన్స్పెక్టర్ వాజ్ సో యాంగ్రీ విత్ గణేష్. ఓకే, రైట్ హియర్ ట్రాఫిక్, TRAFFIC, traffic inspector Ashok was angry. Ashok was angry with Ganesh because BECAUSE, because he was putting, what he is doing, he was putting lives in danger, putting the lives of other people in danger by driving fast, isn't it? Yes. Okay, once again read along with me. Traffic inspector Ashok was angry with Ganesh because he was putting the lives of other people in danger by driving fast. Okay, let's go with the next question, children. Who helped Tarun and Tara reach the wedding on time? How? Okay, who helped, children? See this traffic inspector, what he told. Okay, I will put you in jail, you are not at all following traffic rules and you are making other people, putting other people lives also in danger. I will not leave you. Like that the traffic inspector told to this Tarun, Tara and Ganesh uncle also. Now at that time who came to them? Yes, who came? Sahil and Sahana and their parents, they came, isn't it? They came and they have requested the traffic inspector to make this Tarun and Tara let go to the wedding, isn't it? Yes, they helped this Tarun and Tara. Who? Sahil, Sahana, okay, Sahil, Sahana, Sahana, Sahana and their parents helped Tarun and Tara reach the wedding on time. They requested, to whom they have requested, children? Yes, they have requested the traffic inspector. They have requested the traffic inspector to let, okay, to let the driver, Ganesh go after what they have asked, after paying fine. Yes, after paying a fine. Okay, this is the answer, children. Read along with me. Sahil and Sahana and their parents helped Tarun and Tara reach the wedding on time. They requested the traffic inspector to let the driver Ganesh go after paying a fine. Okay, like this you have to fill these questions, children. 4.2 question time. Okay, with this we have completed this exercise, and in studio we have completed now in companion 4a. See in first page. Okay, like this the signs we will see in road, isn't it? While we are traveling on a road, we will see this kind of signs. Okay, you have to write, children, what type of signs these are and what it mean. Okay, for example, they have given one sign and you may see school ahead sign near most schools. Isn't it this sign where we will see near the schools? That means here school is there, some school students are crossing the road, so be careful while you are going on the road. Like that it indicates this signal. Okay, like that remaining also it's there. You have to write this and I will send one picture of this for example. Okay, you have to write this one and this one, both two exercises you have to do and send to me in WhatsApp. Okay, children, hope you all understood this class. If you are having any doubts, contact me personally. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.